my snowblower won't start. How can I go ahead and fix this? Well, one thing that you can go ahead and try is by draining the reservoir. Now I will be using a 10mm socket wrench right here. And right near the primer, if I look underneath this, I can find a socket that I can go ahead and unscrew to drain the reservoir. So I have a small pan right here that I'm going to collect any kind of gasoline that drains from it. And I'll get a better look at it for you guys. So right here is the socket I'm going to go ahead and unscrew to drain my reservoir. So let's go ahead and just do this. Now on top, I'm just going to unscrew my gas cap in case there's kind of buildup of pressure. That'll prevent the gasoline from flowing. Now let's put my drain pan right here to catch any kind of gasoline that drains from it. And also, you're going to want to get some gloves on or some sort of plastic over your hand because you're going to get gasoline all over your coat and your hand. So let's rotate this to the left. Alright, I can see it's already leaking. I'm going to go in with my fingers here. Alright, so I'm going to let this drain until the stream kind of slows down a little bit. Alright, so that should be good. I'm going to go ahead and tighten this back up and prevent it from leaking anymore. Alright, that should be good. I got enough gas out here. That should drain out any bad gas from last year. Now let's take my wrench and then tighten this back up. Alright, that should be good. Alright, so let's set the choke to start. Turn the key on, turn the gas on, and then prime it 3 times. 2 and 3. And then let's pull the cord and see if we can get it to start. So it started real easy once I did that, and it wouldn't start at all before. So go ahead and try just draining the reservoir and then starting it up and see if it works for you. If this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixAdventures.